As a marketing consultant who teaches how to get real results from your email marketing, it's no surprise that the number one question I always get asked is, what is the best email marketing platform to use? And there's two players that I want to share in this video that I always recommend. So whether you're just starting building your list or you are wanting to change from another platform you're having a few issues with, you're gonna love this video because I share 5 reasons I'd choose each of these platforms. So let's start with Flodesk. I love this platform and have used it for years and have recommended it to clients, and I believe it's really great for content creators, consultants, coaches, freelancers, anyone in those service-based niches that are really sharing a personal brand. I have a bunch of old tutorials about Flodesk which you can go and watch after this video if you are wanting to see a bit of a deeper dive, a walkthrough video and some tutorials on how to get started. Okay, so first things first, the templates. You can't go past these beautiful templates and their aesthetic design. They're really focused on creating this gorgeous email aesthetic, which is something quite uncommon for a lot of email marketing platforms. Number 2, if you sell digital products, this is a great one for you because you don't even need a website to sell those digital products. You can create the landing pages, the checkouts, and send that digital product straight to your purchaser immediately. It also means that you're able to target those subscribers with specific communication after their purchase, whether it be a follow-up email or an upsell to something else. Number 3 is the automated workflows are so easy to use and they're really visually appealing. So it means that getting started with your nurture sequences and your sales funnels couldn't be easier. Number 4, the Flodesk University is packed to the brim with tutorials on how to use the platform as well as tips for getting started with email marketing. So you really don't need anything else. And number 5 is it's crazy affordable. The price doesn't go up with the more subscribers you have or the more emails you send. Most email platforms adjust the price based on how many subscribers you have. However, Flodesk, it's one flat price. And if you use my link to sign up for a free trial, then you'll get 50% off your monthly fee for 12 months. Now, if you need a little help to get started with email marketing, you want to download my email marketing toolkit because this one is full of all the strategy, templates, ideas, and tutorials on what you need to get started with email marketing. This toolkit is simple and overwhelm free, and I promise you, when you download this baby, it is going to be something you return to again and again as an incredible resource in your business. Now, on to number 2, my favorite platform that I recommend to e-commerce businesses is Mailerlite. First up, you can get started with a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers, which is a really nice starting point if you are starting email marketing for the first time or you have a really small list. So you're not actually paying for that monthly fee when you're just getting started. Number 2 is you can build your own website within the app itself, which means you don't need another platform adding to the complexity of starting your online business. However, of course, you can connect it to your existing website, and a lot of e-commerce businesses are using platforms like Shopify, and it connects beautifully to it, which allows you to send those abandoned cart emails and return purchase emails. Number 3 is if you've ever thought about creating a paid email newsletter, Mailerlite makes this ridiculously easy to set up. You don't need any third-party software to do this, to create some membership. You can do it all within the platform. This means you can start making money from your valuable content straight away. Number 4 is they have A/B split testing, which means that you can ensure that the email newsletters you're sending to your audience are of the best quality they could be. You might want to test the subject line or the content of the email and send it to a portion of your list, work out which version of the email was the best or getting the best response, and then you can send it to the rest of your list, which is pretty cool, right? This means that you're going to have more opens and more click-throughs from your emails. And finally, it's so easy to set up and to use. It's a drag and drop platform, and I've found it incredibly easy to use for my clients when I've been setting up nurture sequences and sales funnels for them. You can sign up to a free trial of Mailerlite via the link in my description so you can test out the features before you commit. So now over to you. Have you tried either of these platforms? Which one do you like better? Do you have any questions about the platforms? I would love to dive deeper on this one because these 2 platforms I've used for myself and my clients and feel like they're the most simplest, user-friendly, and great for beginners. So if you want to dive deeper onto how to get started with your email marketing, then go and download my free email marketing guide, which is full of 10 strategies to help you craft binge-worthy email newsletters. So you're going to want to download that one right now. But that brings me to the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up if you loved it, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. I release new videos all about digital marketing, content strategy for creative entrepreneurs on how you can build your brand online. So if that sounds like something you need more of in your life, hit subscribe. I'd love to see you again soon. But that's it for me for today. Until next time, bye for now.